Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about input type number. So consider a situation where you want in your form to get the integer values from the user. So input type element type number creates input field which allows a user to enter the numeric value. You can also restrict to enter a minimum and maximum value using min and max attribute. So here you can also provide some default minimum value and maximum value. So in that range user should select one particular value. So let's check in code. So this is our form2.html. So first thing we will need to provide a form tag. So this is our form tag. Now let's provide one field to accept the numeric value. So input type should be number. Let's give name as number. Let's save this, open in browser. So see, currently we are getting one input field. So here you can see a menu is there, drop down type menu. Here you can provide the values. So currently it will be up to infinity, plus infinity to minus infinity. So here we can provide a label also. So let's provide one label, enter number, save this, refresh. So here we are getting the enter number label and we can provide here the number. So another thing we can check here is we can provide some default value also. Let me make some adjustment here. So currently when you refresh the browser, there is no default value to this particular field. So you can provide a default value with the help of value attribute. Let's say you want default value to be 0. Now see, you will get the default value as 0 printed. Now here we can select any number now, because we haven't provided any minimum value or maximum value. So if I provide here min, so minimum value, let's say from 1 I want to start, and till let's say 15. Save this, refresh the browser. Now see, you will have 0 as your default value. If I go beyond 0, it will not take minus values now, because minimum value is 1, and it will go till 15. So it is the maximum value what we have provided. It will not go beyond 15 now. Another thing we can do with this number input type is we can provide a step attribute. So step attribute basically indicates a interval in which your number will go ahead. Now currently it is increasing by 1, also decreasing by 1. So there is only incrementation and decrementation with the single value. So we can provide a interval here. Let's say if I provide here 5, refresh the browser, default value is 0, first value is 1. After that a step of 5 will be taken. So next number will be 6. So 5 numbers are omitted between this interval. So next number should be 11. After that it should be 16, but maximum value we have provided is 15. So that's why it's taking up to 11 only. You can provide like multiple values of your choice and see the changes accordingly on the browser. Now I have provided 3, so it's getting incremented with 3. Let's say in by decreasing also it is reducing by 3. So that is the use of input type number. You can use this as per your requirement. So that's it for this video. We will see another topic in next video. Thank you for watching.